How's it going, guys? We're here at the Pūr-Speed warehouse here in Ohio. Today we're going to show you how to put on the new air rear shock on the 20-inch Xtreme Ultra balance bike. The bike's going to come pretty much as it is. You'll have to put the front wheel on, you'll have to put the bars on, the pegs. Inside this box, you're going to receive the linkage dog bones with the 2 bolts and the rear shock itself, along with some instructions, step-by-step instructions on how to do it, and a tube of Loctite. Please use this when you're putting the bolts and stuff in. You don't need to blob a ton on, but at least a couple dabs of it to keep everything good and tight. The bike itself, once you get everything on wheels and bars, it's going to be attached right here at the frame. You're going to need 2 5mm Allen heads or hex heads, whichever you prefer to call them. The T-handles work really good with this. You're going to pull this small one out of this side and then use your Allen head to pop this out. And you're going to have this big long collared one that is threaded on the inside. Next, you're going to use the medium-sized one. Move this up out of your way. And you're going to attach the dog bones to the frame itself. Now, these are probably going to be a little tough to slide through just because of the powder coat. All right, once you get that shoulder through, you're going to take your small end and it's going to thread into the other end of it. I'm just going to snug these up for now, but not super tight until we get everything else back together. Now, you're going to take your shock. You're going to slide it in here, and we can go ahead and put the front part of it in. You have to work it kind of into the frame here. And then this small collar is what mounts through the frame and holds the shock in place. Again, I'm just kind of finger tightening these right now just so that we have some easy movement. The big one that was in through the frame here, you're going to save that because you're reusing it. Once you get the dog bones connected, you're going to work the frame or the swing arm up here and slide it through not only the swing arm, but the dog bones and the rear shock. You might have to kind of lift up on it to get everything to line up right. There you go. And then you'll take your last little Allen nut or bolt, slide it through. I've already put Loctite on these ones, but like I said, before you start screwing these down, put a little dab of Loctite on everything just to make sure everything stays good and tight. And now we're going to go through and just torque everything down. And that's it. That's pretty much how to get the rear shock and everything mounted up, how the swing arm and the linkage comes together with the dog bones. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, visit our website.